Hi everyone, welcome to day 22, and I'm going to have everyone start off on their back. So we're going to get nice and comfortable on our back. You can take one or both hands onto the belly, taking an inhale breath and an exhale. And then inhale, fill the lungs, feel them expand, and on the exhale open the mouth and say ha, H-A, like you're fogging a mirror. And again, inhale and exhale through the mouth. Last one. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth like you're fogging your mirror. And then this time, inhale through the nose. And on the exhale, begin exhaling through the mouth, closing the mouth halfway, creating the same sound through the nose. Inhale. Begin through the mouth, close the mouth. Last one. Then you're just going to take a few more breaths in and out through the nose. Still creating that ujjayi sound on the exhale. And then releasing the hands down by the sides, palms down, and taking the feet hip width apart with gentle engagement through the legs and the feet. And on the inhale, you're going to take the arms up toward the sky and then all the way overhead toward the back of the room. And on the exhale, draw them back down by the sides of the body. And again, inhale, feel them as they float up and back. And as you exhale, initiate the movement with the core. Draw those low ribs in, initiating that movement. Hands back down by the sides. Inhale, open. And exhale, close, matching the movement to the breath. One more. And then this time you're going to inhale, taking the arms up alongside the ears. As you exhale, bringing them back down the sides of the body, take the right leg to the sky as well. And then again, inhale, leg comes to the floor, arms overhead, open. And on the exhale, leg to the sky, arms down by the sides of the body, closed. Inhale to open. And exhale, close. Good. One more time. And then we come to our closed position, leg to the sky, arms down by the sides. We're going to stay. Gently press the hands into the floor. Flex the toes toward you. Reach through that heel nice and strong through both legs. Draw the belly in, draw the low ribs in. Try and get that leg as straight as you can. 2 more breaths. Good. Last breath. And then inhale the arms up alongside the ears. Keep the leg up. And on the exhale, roll up like you're trying to touch the foot. Inhale, rolling back down. Try and get those shoulder blades off the ground if it's available to you. You can reach the fingertips all the way to the front of the room if it's comfortable. Just keep length through the back of the neck. 2 more. Inhale and exhale. And this next one, when we come up, we're going to stay and breathe for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hug the knee into the chest and extend the leg alongside the other. And on the inhale, take the arms up overhead. And on the exhale, take them back down by the sides of the body. 1 more just like this, coming back to the breath or re-engaging the ujjayi breath if you've lost it. And then this one, we're going to inhale the arms up. And on the exhale, closing left leg to the sky, arms down by the sides of the body. Inhale, lowering the leg, lifting the arms overhead, and exhale, close. So same exact thing that we did on the first side, only with the left leg. Two more. Use those abdominal muscles to create the movement, initiating. Last one, and when we come into our closed position, we're going to stay. Again, gently placing the hands or pressing them into the ground, drawing the toes toward you nice and strong through both legs. Try and get that left leg as straight as you can. Stay with your breath. Good. One more. Stay for that entire exhale. And then inhale the arms up overhead. And on the exhale, rolling up. Try and get the shoulder blades off of the ground. Inhale, arms up. And exhale, roll. 3. Use your breath. 2. Good. This next one, when we come up, we're going to stay. 5, 4, 3, 2, and release. Hug the knee into the chest. Bring the right leg up with it. Rock front to back until you come up into a comfortable seated position. Keeping the eyes closed, hands onto the knees. We're just going to begin seated cat-cow. So draw the belly forward. Inhale, lift the chin. Exhale, roll back. Lean back against the imaginary wall behind you. Inhale forward. And exhale back. 3. 2. One more like this, and then we're going to turn it into a barrel roll. So belly will come forward, over to the right, to the back, over to the left, and back forward. Inhaling and exhaling, so matching your breath to the movement, whether you inhale for one full roll and then exhale for the next, or inhale as the belly is moving forward and exhale as it's coming back. Last one in this direction, and then go in the other direction. Good. One more. Finish out that exhale and come to center. Come into hands and knees. Hands underneath the shoulders or a little wider. Knees under the hips or a little farther back. Inhale, right leg, left arm. Exhale, elbow to knee. Inhale, reach. And exhale. No need to add a back bend through the back. Keep that belly nice and strong and drawn up toward the spine. 2. This one, extend through leg and arm and then awkward balance. Exhale. Inhale back to center. Stay with your awkward balance. Exhale. Inhale. This one will hold and breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2. Inhale back to center and release. Exhale. Other side. Left leg, right arm. Inhale. Exhale, knee to elbow. Lengthen and extend. Inhale. Exhale. Draw everything into center. Nice and strong. Keep that belly lifted. This one, inhale to lengthen. Awkward balance. Exhale. Inhale, center. Again, awkward balance. Exhale. This one we will hold and breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2. Inhale, center, and release. Exhale. Curl the toes under, and on the exhale, come to down dog. 2 breaths here. Walk the dog if you need to. Last one. Inhale forward to plank and lower down. Exhale. Cobra or up dog. Inhale. Down dog. Exhale. Step the right foot only forward between the hands. Staying here, take an inhale breath. On the exhale, straighten that front leg. Inhale, soften into that front knee. Exhale, straighten. You can use blocks under your hands or books or anything else that works if you can't touch the floor. Or just don't straighten the leg all the way. This time come to a nice straight front leg and stay. Breathe. Lengthen through the crown of the head away from the tailbone on the inhales, and on the exhales, see if you can melt that belly a little bit closer to the thigh. Gentle tuck of the chin. Last breath. Stay for the exhale. Inhale. Bend into the knee. Send it back to three-legged dog. Bend the right knee. Bring the heel to the opposite hip. Hip circles. So 3 in each direction, drawing the circles on the sky with the knee. Last one. And other direction. And release. Take one breath. And left foot forward. Stay here. Inhale and exhale, straighten the leg. Inhale, bend into that front knee, and exhale, straighten. Good, stay with the breath. Again, you can put your hands up on blocks or just don't straighten the leg all the way. Both sides might not be the same. Last one. This one, when we come to a nice straight front leg, we're going to stay. Again, on the inhale, lengthen through the crown of the head, and on the exhale, see if you can melt the belly a little closer to the thigh. Gentle tuck of the chin. 2 more breaths. Good. Last breath. Staying for the exhale. On the inhale, bend into the knee, send that leg back, all the way up, bend the knee, heel to opposite hip. Hip circles. 3 in each direction, drawing circles on the sky with the knee. Other direction. Good, last one, and release. Release the knees to the floor and come back into child's pose. You can press pause here if you'd like to take your inversion practice. Otherwise, you're going to make your way back to seated. Coming to a comfortable seated position. Inhale the arms up. On the exhale, we're going to just twist over to the right. Inhale back to center. Exhale to the left. Inhale. And exhale. Last one. Inhale to center and hands to heart center. Exhale. Extend the legs wide into wide angle forward fold. We're just going to come forward. So your choice, yang style, draw the toes toward you, bind, or yin style, let the feet go completely and hang. Whatever you choose, stick with it. We're going to do 5 to 7 breaths. So come into position. If you're in yang style, draw the shoulders back. Stay long and strong through the spine and the core. If you're in yin, let everything go and become nice and heavy. Regardless, come to your ujjayi breath, in and out through the nose, creating that pa sound, like you're fogging a mirror. 3 more breaths. And release. And we'll make our way back onto the back. Draw the knees into the chest. Give them one last hug and over to the right. Look to the left. And then come to the other side. and center. Extending the legs to the front of the mat. Arms to the side, palms facing up. Taking Shavasana. Releasing the Ujjayi breath, coming just to a nice, gentle belly breath. And then begin lengthening and deepening the breath. Bringing movement to the hands and the feet. One at a time, drawing the knees into the chest. Coming over on to the right side and up into a comfortable seated position. Taking your right hand, index and middle finger to the brow point. Take an inhale breath followed by an exhale. And then inhale through the nose. On the exhale, close the right nostril with the thumb. Exhale through the left. Inhale through the left. Switch, closing off the left nostril with the ring finger. Exhale through the right. Inhale. Switch. Exhale. Stay for the inhale. Switch. Exhale. Continue. Last one. And release hands to heart center. Thank you for sharing your practice with me today. Namaste.